This is an absolute emergency video for MSTW. I need to show you what is going on with this ETF. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Wes, and for the last 2 years, I've been researching ways to make passive income in both the stock market and in cryptocurrency. And I want to bring you my results, whether good or bad, through this channel. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe and drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's get into MSTW. All right, let's remind ourselves. Why was I doing that video on MSTW in the first place? It's designed to track MicroStrategy stock, the company famous for holding a massive amount of Bitcoin, but with a twist. Well, Bitcoin just hit 120K again. We'll take a look at the chart in a minute. But they have a massive amount of Bitcoin in their holdings. But it targets 120% of MicroStrategy's weekly performance. That means if MicroStrategy goes up 10% in a week, MSTW aims for about 12%, probably more. Of course, it works both ways. Losses get amplified as well. But the real eye catcher, the weekly pay feature. Unlike most ETFs that pay quarterly or monthly, MSTW distributes cash to shareholders every single week. Recently, the payout was 86 cents per share. Pretty damn good. And let's put that in perspective. If you invested $1,000 at a share price of $46.50, you'd roughly get 21 shares. Multiply that times 86 cents, and you're looking at about $18 a week. Over a year, that's around $936 back in payouts. That's just shy of your original investment. In 1 year, if payouts stay the same. But keep in mind those payouts can change depending on performance of the ETF and of MSTR. Take a good look at what they're holding. So they're holding a call option here. $41 million is in the call option. They're holding MicroStrategy stock, 8.3 million. And then their government bonds or whatever, 3.4 million. So I am bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of crypto going into the next few months. So I think these holdings are genuine and I think they're a good option for the near future. All right, let's look at the chart. The chart is a lot better than I thought it would be. It looks really good right now. $46.50. It only went down to 42. I thought it would go down way lower than this. The high was 51. It's in a range. This is not a savings account. The share price is going to move up and down and all over the place. And since MSTW is tied to MicroStrategy with leverage, it's going to move more dramatically than the stock itself. If MicroStrategy dives low, MSTW could drop even harder. I don't know what's going on with my chart here. But same goes for gains. If the upside is higher too, it's going to be higher. Who is MSTW for? It's probably best suited for risk-tolerant investors who want exposure to Bitcoin and MicroStrategy, combined with the appeal of frequent income. They are paying out really well right now. So 88% distribution. If you compound that over a year, you'll get your money back. So I don't have anything bad to say about this one so far. And I'm just going to keep looking at this chart. And if it stays above 42.50, heck yeah. I just think we are in a crypto bull run. So let's look at, what Bitcoin's doing right now. Hang on a second. It's blasting upward. So as long as Bitcoin is doing well, MicroStrategy is going to do well, and so is MSTW.